Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on a clip using the InShot app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the InShot app on your home screen. Now open it. Tap onto the video option and choose one video that you want to edit. Now to zoom in the video, simply tap onto the track. Then pinch down the video itself like this, and like this you can zoom in or even zoom out the video however you want to zoom, and you can also select the area that you want to add the video to, and you can edit the video very easily like this. Now edit the video as usual, add text, audio, stickers and many more, and like this you can zoom in the video in InShot app. And that's it. You have just learned how to zoom in on a clip and make it even more professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.